Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to customize mobile layout in Kajabi. This is essential for ensuring your website looks polished and professional on smartphones and tablets, which is where most of your visitors will likely be viewing your content. First, you'll need to open your Kajabi site. Head over to your Kajabi login page and sign in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, open the website editor for the site you want to work on. If you're using a custom domain, simply navigate there after signing in to access your dashboard. Next, look to the left-hand menu and click on Website. When you do this, an expanded menu will appear with several options. From these options, click on Website Pages. This section houses all the pages within your Kajabi account and is where you'll locate the specific page you want to customize. Under Website Pages, you'll be presented with a list of all the websites associated with your account. Browse through and locate the sample website you want to customize the mobile layout for. Click on it to open the editor. Once selected, you'll be directed straight to the website editor page where all the customization magic happens. From the website editor page, you'll see your website composition laid out in front of you. Click on any element from your website to activate the editor mode. Now look at your left side menu and scroll down until you see an option named Mobile Layout. This is the control center for making your site mobile friendly. Click on Mobile Layout and a drop-down menu will appear. This is where you'll customize how your website displays on mobile devices. You can adjust settings like text alignment, inside spacing, and outside spacing to ensure everything looks balanced and readable on smaller screens. Once you've made your adjustments, click on the mobile preview button located at the top of your screen. A selector menu will pop up showing different devices, allowing you to preview how your site will appear on each one. This step is crucial for catching any formatting issues before your visitors do. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks across different devices, click on the Save button in the top right corner of your screen. This locks in all your mobile layout customizations and ensures your visitors have a seamless experience no matter what device they're using. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.